Hello, and welcome back to AI Ed, from Bits to Breakthroughs. I'm your host, Jeff 1.0, one of the AI-generated avatars here at newbits.ai. Thank you for joining us again in our AI Basics, the Fundamentals series. In our last episode, we explored the importance of privacy in the age of AI and the practical steps you can take to protect your personal data. Today, we're shifting our focus to a crucial topic in the development of AI, responsible AI. As AI systems become more advanced and integrated into everyday life, there's a growing need to ensure these systems are developed and used responsibly. In this episode, we'll explore the key principles, practices, and policies that guide responsible AI development and how we can ensure that AI benefits society as a whole. Let's get started. Responsible AI refers to the practice of developing, deploying, and using AI in a way that is ethical, fair, transparent, and accountable. It's about making sure AI systems are designed to do more good than harm and that they respect human rights, privacy, and dignity. As AI becomes more capable and widespread, the stakes are higher. Misuse or poorly designed AI systems can have serious consequences, ranging from biased decisions to the erosion of personal privacy. That's why the field of responsible AI is so important. Let's break down some of the key principles that guide responsible AI development. These principles help ensure that AI systems are aligned with the values and expectations of society. 1. Fairness. AI systems should be designed to avoid bias and ensure fair treatment for all individuals. This involves using diverse and representative data and continuously monitoring for any potential biases that may arise. 2. Transparency. AI should be transparent, meaning that the decisions AI systems make should be explainable and understandable. Users should be able to see how an AI system arrived at a particular decision, especially in critical areas like healthcare, finance, or law enforcement. 3. Accountability. AI developers, companies, and users need to be accountable for the outcomes of AI systems. This means having clear guidelines for who is responsible if something goes wrong, whether it's a biased decision or an unintended consequence. 4. Privacy. As we discussed in the previous episode, privacy is a key concern in AI development. AI systems should protect personal data and ensure that individuals' information is handled with care and respect. 5. Safety. AI systems should be designed to minimize harm. Whether it's in physical systems like autonomous vehicles or digital systems like recommendation algorithms, safety protocols must be in place to ensure that AI operates within safe boundaries. While these principles are essential, implementing them in practice can be challenging. Let's explore how organizations and governments are taking steps to ensure that AI systems are developed responsibly, along with some real-world examples. Ethical guidelines. Many organizations are creating AI ethics boards or committees to review AI projects and ensure they align with ethical standards. These boards often include diverse perspectives, from technologists to ethicists, to ensure a well-rounded approach. For example, IBM has an active AI ethics board to ensure AI technologies are developed with ethical considerations in mind. IBM's board focuses on transparency, accountability, and trust, ensuring their AI solutions are aligned with responsible AI principles. The board collaborates with academia, governments, and civil society organizations to develop best practices and ethical standards. AI audits. Regular audits are becoming a common practice in AI development. These audits evaluate the performance and fairness of AI systems to ensure they're meeting the necessary standards. Example: Microsoft has implemented internal audits for its AI systems, particularly for its facial recognition technology, to ensure the algorithms perform equitably across different demographics and avoid unfair targeting. These audits help to mitigate the risk of biased AI decisions and ensure more inclusive systems. Regulatory frameworks. Governments are starting to introduce regulations that govern the use of AI. For example, the European Union's AI Act aims to create a comprehensive regulatory framework that ensures AI systems are safe and respect fundamental rights. This law categorizes AI applications based on risk levels from minimal risk, like spam filters, to high risk, like AI in healthcare or law enforcement, with stricter regulations applied to high-risk systems. In addition to the AI Act, the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, in the EU ensures that AI systems processing personal data are transparent and protect the privacy of individuals. AI companies must comply with GDPR requirements, ensuring individuals can access, control, and delete their data. These practices help ensure that AI systems are aligned with societal values and are safe for public use, encouraging transparency, fairness, and accountability. Despite the best intentions, there are still challenges when it comes to implementing responsible AI. For example, complexity. AI systems are often so complex that it's difficult to understand exactly how they make decisions, which can hinder transparency and accountability. Global standards. AI development is happening all over the world, but not every country has the same ethical or legal standards. This creates challenges when it comes to creating global policies for responsible AI. Balancing innovation and regulation. AI development is moving at a rapid pace, and some argue that overregulation could stifle innovation. However, finding a balance between encouraging AI advancements and ensuring ethical practices is essential. At newbits.ai, we're committed to promoting AI solutions that reflect responsible AI practices. Through our AI Solutions directory, we highlight AI models, tools, and platforms that are not only innovative, but also align with ethical principles like fairness, transparency, and accountability. We also encourage our community to engage in these discussions at our AI Hub, where you can participate in offering insights and perspectives that help shape a responsible AI future. In our next episode, we'll explore AI for good, tackling global challenges, where we'll look at how AI is being used to address some of the world's biggest problems, from healthcare to climate change. Thank you for joining me for this episode of AI Basics, the fundamentals. And as always, stay curious, keep exploring, and remember, it's all about the bits, especially the new bits.